myself Tanish, and product and growth team can learn a lot of from Lenny's podcast. But there are many hours of conversation and interview go through. So finding a right advice, checking whether advice come from, and turning it into a useful information can take a lot of time. So I built Lenny's Growth Assistant to make this process much faster. The user can simply ask Assistant a product or a growth question in normal language. For example, I have asked what are the most important principles for improving a product onboarding. So the assistant search through the Lenny's podcast transcripts and uses the relevant information to answer the question. It also shows the sources behind the answer so user can see where the information has come from. I continue the same conversation without explaining everything again. For example, I ask, how would you apply these ideas to a SaaS based product? So the assistant understands this question is connected to my previous question and gives me a more specific answer. Another important requirement for was to make application work with a local AI model. So I am running the assistant using Ollama on my own computer. These are the list of Ollama model that has been downloaded in my computer, and this means that the main demonstration doesn't depend on sending every question to an online AI service. I can switch to Gemini when I want to use a cloud-based model from clicking here, and the assistant can also turn the information from the conversation into a SIP 30 to 30 style essay. As you will click to artifact, it will show all the information in structured piece of content based on the knowledge found on the podcast transcript. The generated content can also be viewed directly inside the application, and you can also download it. The one technical trade-off I made was between the local AI and the answer quality. Local AI makes the product easier to run and more private, while the cloud AI can provide a stronger result. So I designed the application to support both. The goal was to create a useful assistant that product team can use easily. Thank you.